To all the subscribers, you're the best. But if this is your first time stopping by the Orange Wires Garage YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn those post notifications on so you don't miss out on anything. And Merry Christmas to everyone and Happy New Year. Let's get to the video. So if you need a set of wheels, you might as well give Rocktrix a try. Torque detail, made in America. We're going to put it on this Toyota Tacoma. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage, and welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage YouTube channel. And as you can see right here, we brought this beautiful 2023 Toyota Tacoma here to the Orange Wires Garage to get a few things done. In the last episode, we continued putting this thing together. We got it all painted up. We got the suspension all fixed. We added a 3-inch lift kit to this sucker. And today, we've got it all jacked up and we've got all 4 tires taken off of this truck. And we loaded them up into the Tundra. We're gonna take it out to the shop and break all of these tires down, get those precious tire pressure monitor sensors out that every single one of us love to hate. It is the next day here and we got all those tire pressure monitor sensors right out of this truck and we're headed up to the shop. We're going to give these bedsides a nice buff and polish to kind of make them match the rest of the truck, making this thing look just like a 2023, because you know what? This is a 2023. You can see right there, she does not recognize the tire pressure monitor sensors. And also that is the only light that's on this dash on this truck. And I don't know if Nick put everything in the truck that he was supposed to, but I'm hoping that he did. So let's get a bite to eat and let's get to work. We spent a little bit of time doing a cut and buff on this bedside and we are super proud of the way that it all turned out. It looks absolutely marvelous. We hit it with some 1500, came back with some 2000, then we set in with a 2-step polish from 3M using their Perfected line. So we just picked up a brand new set of RT 114 17x9 -12 offset and they're 6 by 139.7 from Rocktrix.com. And these wheels are going to look great on this truck. We paired it up with some 285/70 17 tires. Can't wait to see how it all looks on the truck. We spent a few minutes at the tire shop getting everything mounted and balanced, and these wheels, they look really, really good. And you also know that we always take a test fit, so we tested them out first and made sure that they fit great. Let's go ahead and jack up this truck, take off these stock wheels and tires, and put those Rocktrix wheels on there. And if you're looking for a set of wheels and you want to save 5%, go ahead and use the code OrangeWires at checkout, or click the link in the description down below. Save yourself 5% on a nice set of wheels. In this day and age, every penny counts. So let's stop talking. Let's get these wheels put on. We got all 4 of the tires and wheels put on this truck. We used the custom lug nuts. We'll leave the link for those lug nuts down below, but we can't get over how good these wheels accent this truck. This blue crush and these black wheels, these things are going to be real head turners as we take this sucker down the road. If you're looking for a set of off-road wheels, you can give Rocktrix a try. Click the link in the description down below, or use the code OrangeWires at checkout. Save yourself 5% on anything site-wide, including the new lug nut. Torque Detail, made in America. We're going to put it on this Toyota Tacoma and see how it all shines up. So check it out at torquedetail.com. We picked up this Torque Detail ceramic coating. Spray it on, wipe it off. Made in the USA. Let's see how it looks. And this Tacoma, well, it turned out absolutely amazing. And this is the side that we fixed. And everything down here is 100% OEM. We polished and buffed this bedside. We got the new tires and wheels. They're 285/70 17s. And they're wrapped up on these 17x9 Rocktrix wheels. And this truck looks phenomenal. Can't wait to take it down the road and see how it all looks. And you saw us use that ceramic coat over on this truck. It was the easiest stuff that I've ever put on one. It was Torque Detail. I'll leave the link in the description down below. So if you follow the channel, you know we've got a 69 Ford F100 that we spent almost a whole year restoring that thing. So we're gonna get it ready and take it to town and put it in the parade of lights in Ducktown, Tennessee. I think we'll show it to you and let you see what it looks like. And from our family to your family, have a blessed Christmas and have a happy new year. Check out the parade. We'll catch you next time.